guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another non-sponsored product review. This review has been a long overdue since the last update I gave on my hair Botox journey. However, I wanted to use it for a few more washes after the Botox stripped away to understand the actual benefits this shampoo and conditioner can offer. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. This product has been raved about all over the internet, especially by beauty and hair care professionals for its bond repair technology. This is my second restock of the shampoo and conditioner. If you've watched my previous videos, especially the hair Botox one, you'll know when I made the switch from Kerastase to Olaplex. And after using these products for a few months now, I completely understand the hype. As always, this is a tried, tested and honest review. The shampoo and conditioner has definitely worked wonders. My hair does feel softer, shinier and healthier overall. I've washed my hair and air dried. I've not blow dried or styled it in any way, but the sheen is still intact. Despite the monsoon season and the humidity, the hair still is manageable without styling it. A good shampoo and conditioner just does not clean and detangle your hair, but it also has to repair and protect it. So let's see what these two shampoo and conditioner offer. The Olaplex shampoo and conditioner contain patented Olaplex bond building technology, which is known to repair broken disulfide bonds, which is mainly caused due to heat styling, chemical treatments and pollution. Now, what does this mean? In simple language, if your hair is damaged, brittle, chemically treated or heat styled regularly, this duo works from the inside out to repair and strengthen your strands again. The shampoo deeply cleanses without stripping away the moisture, and the conditioner deeply hydrates and detangles your hair without weighing it down. This shampoo and conditioner is basically everything good, that is sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free. It is suitable for all hair types and especially for hair that is damaged, colored or chemically treated. Generally, in this part of the video, I show the texture of the product, but my heart is just not ready to waste any of it. But to give you a gist, the shampoo actually lathers and the conditioner is very moisturizing. Also, can we just spare a second to talk about the packaging of this product? It is so sleek, clean, no fuss. I personally love it. Also, a little goes a long way, so even if the package looks small, it does last quite a while. With all the benefit it offers, the price range of both shampoo and conditioner is a little higher. 100 ml of both of these come for rupees 1700 each. You can easily find both these products on Amazon and Nykaa, and you may also be able to grab it at some additional discount. I'll place both these links in the description box for your easy access. Nevertheless, if you're using this particular product or this brand altogether for the first time or any other product for the first time, a patch test is always recommended. To sum it up, hair care is not just about styling, it is also mainly about repairing and strengthening. And Olaplex has done a pretty amazing job with this. Yet again, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel and watched this far, then please do and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Well, that's all for today. I really hope this video was helpful. You'll see me in my next one. Happy hair care!